Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been pretty long that I did a tech review video. Have been away due to personal reasons. Well, today I've got a pretty good product for review, which is really a lifesaver if you're using GoPro Hero 7 605. This is a simple battery product which GoPro could have thought of and launched because the battery life on the GoPro is pretty bad. It runs out of the battery pretty quickly, and this amazing product is a lifesaver kind of thing for GoPro. So let's actually review this product called DigiPower ReFuel for GoPro Hero cameras. Starting off with the design, this extended battery pack fits in the GoPro pretty tight and also has water absorbers, or gasket you can call it, around the parts which could probably get exposed to a little bit of water. The overall capacity of this battery is 4800 milliamps. This battery pack is built like a tank and it can handle temperature withstanding from 0 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. This battery pack is IP68 rated, so that means you can carry this easily in either swimming pool or underwater up to 33 feet. So this also means that this is dust and dirt resistant kind of. As you see on the screen, this is a USB based battery, so you need to remove the cover which protects the charging port, and fully charging of this device may take up to 1.3 hours. It's pretty tight, that's basically to protect it from letting in water as it has gasket around the lid. As you see, I'm basically struggling to open the lid. Sometimes it annoys me, but well, to keep the camera safe we need to have such kind of fitting. The battery pack has indicators on the left side to show the battery percentage or battery number of units left, and as well as to start charging the GoPro device. Well, I have practically used it in multiple situations, and this device can easily give up to 4 or 5 hours of battery for your GoPro, which is really amazing is what I can say. Next, speaking about the mounts, this has two mounts supplied which fits in perfectly to hold your camera. One is traditional tripod mount and the other one is basically the regular GoPro or action camera mounts. These mounts do justify for the whole setup because once you mount this kind of battery pack, your GoPro will become somewhat a bit heavier, and these mounts are rigidly built. They snap in perfectly, no play or anything as such. If you see the screen, that's how it goes in, and it fits in pretty tough, and there's no way until unless you press the locks or the side buttons or hinges kind of thing and pull it out, it will not come out. That's really solid, and I've been able to use it in multiple of occasions without any problem. You can also get third-party lens cap for GoPro from Amazon. They are usually between $5 to $6 and pretty easily available. I mean, that makes the setup complete. I also have other set of accessories that match up with this setup and makes it complete. So the one that you're seeing is basically a mini tripod, you can say. That is one of the accessories that comes in with the Zhiyun Crane V2. It's just being used to balance the gimbal. So apart from that, I use it as a small tripod for this kind of a setup. I do recommend this. Try this out and let me know what you feel like. If you have any questions or comments, do let me know in the comment section. I'll try to answer them. For now, I would just like to end this video, guys. See you again. Bye bye.